back to another video. Hopefully you guys are having a good day today. It's a little bit of a different type of day. Well, not really a different type of day, but me and Carlos decided, hey, you know, let's do a little meet. It's nothing big, it's nothing crazy, but we're just gonna hang out with some friends, and it'll just be a different type of video. I'll try to get as much as ooh, it's getting hot in here. I'll try to get as much as little clips for you guys of the cars and what shows up or whatnot. Sometimes it's a little hard when you're talking to people to go get clips unless I can find someone to take the camera from me and go do it. But yeah guys, I'm currently on my way to, I just changed the spark plugs on the Evo, so we're good there. I'm gonna go fill up on E and then I have to go to the storage to go pick up my turbo manifold because I think Curly might install that tomorrow. So I'll catch you guys when I pull up to the storage. Alrighty guys, I decided to come pump gas first since this is a little further than the storage. I mean, it's not like crazy far, but I came to pump gas first, and then I'm gonna go head to the storage now, pick up the manifold. I'll show you guys the manifold. I'm sure you guys have seen it in previous videos. I just haven't had the time, or I guess you can say that I was just waiting to gather up all my parts until I wanted to throw on my manifold. But let's go get that, and then I'll show you guys in a bit. Alrighty guys, I made it to the storage. Hopefully it's not a pain in the butt to get into the, you guys know how it is with storage. You start off right, organizing everything, and then out of the blue you just start shoving everything in there towards the end. So hopefully I can find this thing quick. Voila. Guys, my storage is like hella packed right now. I have all my tools and DSM parts. All those crates have parts in them. But damn, where the hell is this manifold? My toolbox. Man, I need to get my house already. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try to climb in there to see if I can get this manifold. I think it's somewhere in there, but I'm not sure. Alrighty guys, it wasn't that bad, to be honest. It was right there where I thought, but here it is. So plan is tomorrow to go slap this on the Evo, since my current manifold that I have right now, it is a log manifold. The way my wastegate sits, when I tried to put this manifold on a long time ago, it wouldn't fit, so Curly needs to customize some stuff and move my wastegate to a different place. So tomorrow our plan is to get up bright and early and try to go install this thing on the Evo, because I think it's about that time guys for me to start. I want to slap on my cams, I want to build the head. I just received my double pumper. I'll show you guys that when I get home. And I have my twin disc, so we're ready. We're pretty much ready to slap everything on and then make some more power guys. But hold on, this thing wasn't zoomed in. I thought it was zoomed in on my face. But yeah guys, got the manifold. Pam. Now let's go. It's a little early right now. Time is it? The meet doesn't start till 5. It's 4:25, so I'm a little early. And I'll catch you guys once everyone pulls up. Alrighty guys, like I say, I'm a little early, but we got already. ¿Qué onda, mijo? Gene already pulled up. Hell yeah, we're hella early. Gene pulled up. Let me put on my window. Okay, fast boy right here. How many people you gapping today? I didn't gap everybody. Hell no. I'll gap people. I get gapped. Alrighty guys, so sorry for if you guys hear too much wind. Got some DSM showing up. You guys remember Av, Kevin. We got I think Jose's his name. We got a bunch of cars pulling up. What up guys? Everyone say what's up? So we got more people pulling up. There's my boy Gio with this. But got this clean GSX. That's it's the first time to this meet. So shout out. And then we got shout out your Instagram. I mean your YouTube channel, dude.
What's mine?
Yeah.
Jesse Shield.
Jesse Shields. I watch you, by the way. So.
Do you?
Yeah.
Dude, sweet. Appreciate it, man.
So here's his GSX clean. We got a lot of people say that it's really uncommon to see so many DSMs at one place. Pop the hood.
Pop the hood, man.
A lot of people say that it's uncommon to see these. Oh, that's not the trunk.
Check out how clean it is back there.
Damn, boy. People say it's really uncommon to see this many DSMs together, but it's not. It's not really uncommon. Here in AZ, we got a bunch of DSMs that are actually run. So
don't mind that coolant leak there. That's taken care of. That was an old radiator issue.
But this one's pretty much bone stock, right?
It's like bone stock.
So,
yeah. The filter and the plugs are the only thing that I'm aware of that isn't stock.
DSMs for days.
I don't know. The wires look pretty fancy.
Got young Luis. Just moved out here from Japan. Here's his. How do you pronounce it, dude? Laurel. Here's his Laurel. Honestly, I've never seen one of these here in Arizona before, but actually I never even drove a right-hand drive car in my life. But this thing is sick. It has an RB20, I believe he said. But he also has an Evo 3, and he just didn't bring it today. But yeah, guys, we slowly are showing up. ¿Qué onda, mijo?
You guys are gonna get to see it.
¿Ya llegó?
For months.
About time?
Because Kevin said that we're not posting until the 20th.
Oh my God. Mr. One-Handed Pants is in the house. So just a couple of more people showing up. I'm gonna wait till more and more people come, and then I'll get you guys some more clips of the. All right, guys, I gotta get a clip of the crew that's rolling deep. So we mobbing.